Hey everybody, welcome to Peak Psychology. Have you ever caught yourself standing in the way of your own success? It's a common battle, but today we're breaking down exactly how to stop self-sabotaging. We're going to guide you through empowering strategies like practicing decision-making confidence, reframing your state of mind, and learning to embrace failure not as a setback, but as an essential stepping stone towards your success. This video offers you tools on how to stop self-sabotaging, freeing you from doubt and hesitation. Get ready to transform your obstacles into opportunities for growth. Join us as we step into a world where your potential is unbounded and self-sabotage is a thing of the past. Number 1, practice decision-making confidence. Practicing decision-making confidence is a vital step toward learning how to stop self-sabotaging. Building trust in your own judgment and skills is an important part of this process if you want to stop second-guessing yourself so much. By fostering this confidence, you significantly reduce the likelihood of falling into procrastination, a common form of self-sabotage. Confidence in decision-making empowers you to take action more decisively, moving forward with your goals without undue delay. Improving your decision-making skills can also help you stop self-sabotaging. It equips you with the ability to choose paths that align with your best interests, steering clear of choices that lead to self-defeating outcomes. As you become more confident in making decisions, you'll notice a decrease in self-sabotage, paving the way for a more productive and fulfilling life. This shift not only improves your personal and professional life, but also contributes to a stronger sense of self-worth and accomplishment. This newfound decisiveness not only accelerates your progress towards your goals, but also builds a resilient mindset resistant to the traps of self-doubt and indecision. Number 2, improve your sense of worth. Do you often feel unworthy of your desires, relegating your ambitions to the realm of others more deserving? This mindset, rooted in self-sabotage, can significantly undermine your self-esteem. Organizational psychologist Courtney Ackerman clarifies this issue by emphasizing that external factors like job status, age, academic achievements, or social circles should not determine your self-worth. Instead, it's essential to anchor your self-assessment to your happiness and what brings you fulfillment. It matters to set personal goals instead of societal ones if you want to find and support your self-worth. Embracing this approach is key to understanding how to stop self-sabotaging. It allows you to redefine success on your own terms, focusing on what genuinely matters to you. This shift not only enhances your sense of self-worth, but also empowers you to break free from the chains of self-doubt and sabotage, paving the way for a life filled with personal achievement and satisfaction. Acknowledging your worth independent of external validation lays the foundation for inner peace and resilience against the pressures of societal standards. Number 3, set clear and realistic expectations. Setting clear and realistic expectations is a cornerstone technique in the quest to understand how to stop self-sabotaging. This method is essential because it directly addresses the pitfall of aiming for goals that are beyond our current reach, which can lead to feelings of inadequacy and frustration. When we set unattainable goals, the inevitable failure not only damages our self-esteem, but also reinforces a negative cycle of self-sabotage, where each failure deters us from trying again. To stop self-sabotaging, it's advisable to be honest about what we can do and set goals that are both hard and attainable. This balance keeps our motivation high and makes progress more tangible, pushing us to grow without overwhelming us. Achievable goals act as stepping stones, each success building our confidence and reinforcing a positive feedback loop that propels us forward. In addition, setting reasonable goals and working hard to achieve them gives us a greater sense of satisfaction. This approach helps prevent the discouragement associated with not meeting overly ambitious goals. It also fosters a mindset of continuous improvement and resilience, crucial for those aiming to stop self-sabotaging behaviors and attain lasting success. Hey everyone, we hope you're enjoying the video so far. If you like what you see and want to support us, please take a moment to hit the like button below. It really helps us out and lets us know you value our content. And if you haven't already, consider subscribing to our channel. It's free. By subscribing, you'll never miss out on our latest videos. Thanks for watching. Number 4, limit comparisons to others. Limiting comparisons to others is an effective method in the journey to learn how to stop self-sabotaging. This principle is relevant because it directly tackles the common trap of measuring our worth and achievements against those of others. Such a habit can quickly lead to discouragement and low self-esteem. When we compare our lives to others, we often focus on what we perceive to be lacking in ourselves, overlooking our unique strengths and accomplishments. This skewed perspective can fuel feelings of inadequacy and hopelessness, leading us down the path of self-sabotage, where we undermine our own efforts and potential. To effectively stop self-sabotaging, it's important to shift our focus back to our personal journey, embracing and celebrating our own progress no matter the pace. By acknowledging that everyone's path is different, with its own set of challenges and timelines, we cultivate a healthier mindset that values personal growth over external validation. This approach encourages us to set our own standards for success based on our values, goals, and capabilities rather than trying to live up to someone else's achievements. Such a mindset shift is pivotal for anyone looking to stop self-sabotaging, as it promotes self-compassion, resilience, and a genuine appreciation for our own journey, independent of comparisons with others. Number 5, seek professional help if needed. Seeking professional help is a significant step in the process of learning how to stop self-sabotaging. This action recognizes the complexity of self-sabotage patterns, which often stem from deeper psychological issues that are not easily resolved without expert insight. A therapist or counselor can provide the personalized guidance necessary to understand the root causes of your self-sabotaging behaviors. Through therapy, individuals gain access to tailored strategies and tools designed to break the cycle of self-defeat, facilitating a journey towards self-improvement and fulfillment. For those struggling to find effective ways on their own to stop self-sabotaging, professional support offers a fresh perspective, coupled with evidence-based techniques to address personal challenges. This guidance is invaluable, as it equips individuals with the skills to navigate their thoughts and actions more healthily, ultimately leading to a more empowered and self-aware existence. Embracing the support of a professional is a courageous step towards overcoming the barriers that self-sabotage creates. Number 6, change the way you think about yourself. Receiving a poor mark on an exam can stir up feelings of inadequacy, prompting a harsh critique of your own abilities. Judy Ho's psychological framework illustrates the profound impact our interpretations of events have on our emotions and subsequent behaviors. By dissecting the sequence from perception to action, we're better equipped to trace specific reactions back to their root causes. Gaining insight into this process enables a shift in perspective towards more constructive interpretations. For instance, instead of berating yourself over a low score, recognizing it as a sign of inadequate preparation offers a clear path for improvement. This perspective embodies a growth mindset, transforming setbacks into valuable learning moments. It's an invaluable strategy for figuring out how to stop self-sabotaging. This approach reframes challenges as stepping stones for development rather than obstacles that diminish our worth. Embracing this mindset fosters resilience, encouraging a more compassionate and productive response to life's inevitable hurdles. This reframing reduces self-doubt and encourages us to see obstacles as opportunities for growth. Number 7, set personal boundaries. Setting personal boundaries is a critical step in the journey to stop self-sabotaging. This process involves clearly defining what you are willing to accept in both your personal and professional lives and what you are not. Establishing these boundaries helps safeguard your time, energy, and mental health, preventing you from overcommitting or engaging in situations that drain your resources or detract from your goals. By learning to say no to demands that exceed your capacity or conflict with your values, you reinforce your self-worth and dedication to your personal development. Firm boundaries discourage others from taking advantage of your time and efforts, allowing you to focus more on activities that align with your aspirations and well-being. Cultivating this skill not only minimizes the potential for self-sabotage by reducing stress and resentment, but also enhances your ability to make decisions that are in your best interest, fostering a healthier, more balanced life. Number 8, learn to embrace failure as a stepping stone. Learning to embrace failure as a stepping stone is important in the quest to understand how to stop self-sabotaging. This shift in perspective transforms our approach to setbacks, viewing them not as final defeats but as vital lessons that contribute to our growth. By seeing failures as opportunities for learning, we foster a growth mindset that is essential for personal and professional development. This mindset encourages resilience, allowing us to bounce back stronger after setbacks. Another important tactic is to learn from your mistakes in your efforts to stop self-sabotaging. It helps to dismantle the fear of failure that often holds us back from trying new things or pursuing our goals. When we accept that failure is a natural part of the learning process, we are less likely to engage in self-sabotage and more likely to take the risks necessary for success. This approach not only builds confidence but also paves the way for a more fulfilling journey towards achieving our aspirations. Number 9, regularly reassess and adjust your goals. Staying adaptable in your quest for personal and professional growth involves regular reassessment and fine-tuning of your goals. This dynamic approach ensures that your objectives remain aligned with your changing needs and circumstances, preventing stagnation and fostering continuous progress. By periodically evaluating and adjusting your strategies, you not only maintain momentum towards your aspirations, but also mitigate the risk of becoming disillusioned or overwhelmed. This adaptability is key to navigating life's unpredictabilities and is an essential tactic in learning how to stop self-sabotaging. It empowers you to proactively address challenges and seize growth opportunities, keeping you on a path that reflects your current realities and future aspirations. Such flexibility can make all the difference in successfully achieving your goals and avoiding the pitfalls of self-sabotage. That concludes our journey on how to stop self-sabotaging. Now we're curious. Do you find it more challenging to practice decision-making confidence or change the way you think about yourself? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you've found value in today's video, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more insightful content like this. Your support helps us keep bringing you strategies to transform your life. Thanks for watching.